Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR Insulated Food Carrier. Okay, so you can see by these ridges on the top, these things are going to be stackable, so if you want to get more than one, you'll actually be able to do that and you'll be able to save space. We do also have wheels on here, which is excellent, so that means that if you weigh this thing down, you'll still be able to move it around. We do got some grab handles on the sides. You do actually weigh this thing down, you're probably going to take 2 people to lift it. That is going to be a lot of material. On the front, we do have a vent cap. That's very important, so in the event that something in there is letting off steam or it's going to pressurize this chamber, it's not going to just blow open whenever you pop this door. And it's got a spot to put a tag on here, so we're going to know exactly what's inside of here without having to pop that door open. So on the side, it looks like we actually got a full-on double hinged latch, which is excellent, so you're going to be able to put a lot of pressure on that without having to actually apply a lot of force. Oh yeah. So you heard that? That thing is sealed up well. We got a really nice rubber seal going all the way around the door. And you can see where this vent cap attaches. So it looks like this guy's just going to be threaded on, which is good because that means that we're going to be able to open that up or close it off if we need to. So that's it. It is just a thumb nut that's going to help to seal that door up. I'm probably just going to leave this fairly tight just to make sure we got a good seal. We got our instructions. And it does say if you're going to be using metal trays, that you need to cool them to 9 to 5 degrees Celsius before you actually put them in. That should be a problem. It's approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit, so that is pretty darn hot. And the one we have here is the 90S, so that is a length of 645, a width of 445, and a height of 610. So the tray rails are full length. They go all the way to the back. So we are looking at about 20 inches in total length and a little over 13 in total width. And each rail sticks out about a ½ inch, so that should give you plenty of purchase for those trays. I mean, it feels very heavy duty. I was expecting this thing to be actually something you would have to assemble, but it is all one block. It is a solid piece. It does also say that the door is removable, so if we're going to do that, all we would have to do is pull these hinges up. That is just a long rod holding that in place. And same thing on the bottom. So with that, we can remove the door to make this a lot easier for cleaning, and also if you just want to use this as a simple storage without having to worry about a door. And even on an anti-fatigue mat, that does roll very nicely. Although they probably will be a little bit more affected if we actually weigh this thing down. So yeah, nice big insulated box if you just need to keep your food warm or keep it cold. This is going to be a great way of being able to transport everything, even pull it out of your truck, roll it right to the site, not have to have a bunch of people with oven mitts carrying those trays around. So that is a very nice food carrier.